For times when you are not quite sure yet on what is the best material to use to produce your part, you can turn to our Tech and Material Advisor. You can find this by navigating to How It Works and finding the link to the advisor here. Once here, you'll notice we currently only have additive manufacturing available as a technology, but we are working to bring more technologies available in the near future. Next, you can choose between metal and polymer material categories. Then you can choose your desired material properties that are important for your part. For example, if I wanted a metal that is high tensile strength and good ductility, I will be able to see what material options best fit that. You can quickly see the relevant additive manufacturing technology and relative cost of the material here. For a more in-depth look, you can view and download a comprehensive data sheet for a material. Here you can see details such as the chemical composition, tolerances, available finishes, and their related specific mechanical properties. Once you have decided, you can go ahead and get a quote right away for your part. To do so, click Get Instant Quote on your desired material to get started. After you've added your file, the technology and material will already be pre-selected for you. The MakerVerse Tech and Material Advisor is always available to you throughout the customer portal. Simply click on the link to jump over to the advisor. With the MakerVerse Tech and Material Advisor, you have extensive engineering knowledge available for you at any time. Of course, if you have any additional questions or require some more in-depth understanding, feel free to reach out to our customer support chat, available here at any time. A live person will be on hand to support and provide any assistance you may need for your project and more.